Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Hmm.
Ma'am, we were reading the chapter.
Yes, let everybody join in. We'll continue with the same.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Who sent me the PDF yesterday? Adrika sent, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a Tuesday test, like of SST Tuesday test this Tuesday.
Yes, ma'am.
And are you all having all the books and notebooks?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, only civics we are not having.
Yeah, that's the trouble. No, Adrika, are you having all your notebooks with you?
I guess I also don't have my civics notebook.
So I need to send you the PDF of the civics chapter, no, which are coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So I'll just take the PDFs and send it to you. Very few children are here today. Chalo. So we have done till political division yesterday, right? We have to start with page number 185. Yes?
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
children, do you remember that we have read about longitudes and latitudes?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes.
So yeah. So अब देखो जो जैसे the longitudes and latitudes होते हैं, we know they're everywhere on the globe. Like although they're
Good
not
morning.
actually present. Good morning. But they are the imaginary lines which we find. Okay. So there's a latitudinal exchange, like from which latitude to which latitude India is. The latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north. Because
No.
India lies completely in which zone? पूरा पूरा इंडिया किस जोन में आता है?
West Zone.
नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर, नॉर्थ
Northern
ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर में
Hemisphere.
आता है, वेस्ट में नहीं आता है, नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर में आता है. इट इज अबव द इक्वेटर, राइट, एंड ऑन द ईस्टर्न साइड ऑफ द सॉरी वेस्टर्न साइड ऑफ द प्राइम मेरिडियन, नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न जोन में आता है, राइट. इट इज above the equator and on the western side of the prime meridian. So अगर इसलिए बिकॉज ये पूरा नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में ही है, इसलिए तो देखो जो इसका लॉन्गिट्यूडनल लैटिट्यूडनल एक्सटेंट है वो है नॉर्थ में, राइट, विच इज 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north, whereas the longitudinal extent is between 68 degree 7 minutes yeah, I was right, 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree
97 degree 25 Celsius.
सेल्सियस नहीं है बच्चे, वो जो लगा होता है that's minutes, that's not celsius, that is minutes, that dash.
Minutes.
Exactly. So the Tropic of Cancer, which is located at 23 degree 30 minutes, passes through the center of India and it divides India into two climatic zones. The one which is above is known as warm temperate zone, and the one which is in the south, which is below the equator, is known as
Tropical zone.
Zone.
Okay. And So you need to realize this key. There's like this Tropic of Cancer divides India into two equal halves. Do you remember that we have also read about the heat zones of the world? Remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The zone which lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is known as the heat zone.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
The heat zone which lies between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn is known as
Ma'am, equator.
Huh? I'm talking about the heat zone, Bachcha Graham. I'm not asking which line. Can you remind me of the three heat zones which we have read about? What are the three heat zones?
Ma'am, torrid zone, frigid
Yes.
zone.
And torrid zone, frigid zone, and
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
torrid zone.
south temperate zone, north temperate zone.
temperate zone.
Ma'am,
Right.
temperate
They
zone,
are
frigid
torrid,
zone.
yes, they are torrid, frigid, and temperate zones, right? The torrid zone is also known as tropical zone. Okay, that is why the area of India, which is below the Tropic of Cancer, it lies in the torrid zone. That is why it is known as tropical zone, right? And the one which is above the equator, जो area equator के above है, तो हमें पता है that the area which is between, the area which is between Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle, इसके बीच का जो area होता है, ये कौन सा zone कहलाता है?
Ma'am, south temperate zone.
North temperate, बच्चा Tropic of Cancer south में north में?
Ma'am, south में है.
ठीक है, सो गॉट इट. देखो इसलिए कहते हैं आपको पुराने कंसेप्ट अपना भूलने नहीं. अगर आप पुराने कंसेप्ट भूलते जाओगे तो फिर फायदा नहीं रहेगा. अब देखो यहाँ पे आपको कितना जरूरी है हीट जोन्स याद रखना. ठीक है, सो द टू क्लाइमेटिक जोन्स व्हिच इंडिया हैज हिज इन द नॉर्दर्न पार्ट वी हैव द टेम्परेट जोन, इन द सदर्न पार्ट वी हैव द ट्रॉपिकल जोन. इसलिए देखो आजकल इतनी जो कोल्ड वेव आ रखी है, इज इट देयर इन द सदर्न रीजन ऑफ इंडिया? No.
No, ma'am.
This cold wave is only in the northern region, not in the southern region, right? Okay. Now the longitude of 82.5 degree east passes midway through India. एक longitude है जो बिल्कुल इंडिया के सेंटर से पास करता है, which is located at 82.5 degree east, and it is near Allahabad, and this helps in fixing a uniform time for the country. अब क्या होता है, देखो अलग अलग longitudes में अलग अलग time होता है, right? So that is why the time which is right now in Bareilly would be different from the time which is in Mumbai. अब अगर हम पूरी country का time अलग अलग रखेंगे, so it would be very difficult for us to manage a lot of things, train timings, airways timings, और बहुत सारी चीजें हमें manage करने में काफी दिक्कत हो जाएगी, है ना? So for this only what we have done is we have fixed a standard time for the country कि जो भी टाइम इस मेरिडियन पे होगा 82.5 डिग्री ईस्ट पे, वही टाइम पूरी कंट्री का यूनिफॉर्म टाइम माना जाएगा. सो जो उस टाइम पे उस जो भी टाइम उस मेरिडियन पे हो रहा होगा वही टाइम पूरी कंट्री में माना जाएगा. ठीक है, सो दैट इज व्हाई दिस मेरिडियन व्हिच इज लोकेटेड एट 82.5 डिग्री ईस्ट is also known as standard meridian of
Standard meridian of India.
क्या बोलते हैं इसको हम?
Meridian
Standard meridian of
Standard meridian of India.
of India.
Very good. The southernmost point of Indian mainland is Kanyakumari. However, the southernmost point of Indian Union is Indira Point, which is located in Nicobar Islands. कहाँ पे located है ये?
Nicobar Island.
Southernmost.
Nicobar Island.
Yes, southernmost point of the country, or southernmost tip. But this point got submerged in the sea water due to tsunami in December 2004. 2004 के दिसंबर में एक सुनामी आया था जिसमें पूरा का पूरा शहर जो भी एरिया था डूब गया. It got submerged in water, so it's not there anymore. Indira Point अब है ही नहीं. It got submerged in water in the tsunami of 2004. Okay? Clear? Then
Yes, ma'am.
yes, then location of India at the head of Indian Ocean is important for trade routes. जो लोकेशन है इंडिया की बिल्कुल इंडियन ओशन के ऊपर ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है ट्रेड रूट्स के लिए बिकॉज जितने भी ट्रेड के लिए लोग जाते हैं वो यहाँ से जाते हैं इट प्रोवाइड्स अस वेरी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी टू जस्ट कनेक्ट विद द रेस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री बिकॉज जो इंडिया है वो एशिया के सेंटर में है सो विद द बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ओनली वी कैन वेरी इजिली trade with the countries of Eastern Asia and Western Asia as well, right? So that and Indian Ocean is the only ocean to be named after a country. Why?
Ma'am, because India has the longest coastline.
Because it has the longest coastline in
Yes,
Indian
the longest coast.
Ocean. Any doubt till here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now the next question is about the neighboring countries. So total land neighboring country, the total land neighboring countries are 7. अगर हम land wise देखें तो हमारी neighboring countries कौन कौन सी हैं? Read अनुष्का.
Ma'am, Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Myanmar.
Right, ये क्या है हमारी major neighboring countries कौन कौन सी learn कर देगा फिर से पाकिस्तान, अफगानिस्तान, चाइना, नेपाल, भूटान, Bangladesh and Myanmar. अच्छा, listen to me. You have to in the geography notebook you have to take a map. Okay, you have to mark the states. Right. In another map you'll mark the capitals of those states. सुन रहे हो मेरी बात आप? Note it down.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
In one map, you will mark the states of India. In another map, you'll mark the capitals of those states. Right. In another map, 3 maps will be there in a notebook till now, in which you'll mark the neighboring countries of India. समझ में आ
Okay,
गया?
ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am.
One map states का, one map states capitals का, and one map in which you'll mark the neighboring countries of India. ठीक है?
How many maps?
Okay, ma'am.
Shall I send in the group?
Our neighbors are Pakistan and Afghanistan in the north.
I'm sending this in the group, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Listen to me, when you will be marking the states of India, na, so then you also have to mark the water bodies, no? Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean.
Okay, ma'am.
You can mark these as well. And you will use a political map for all three of them. Okay?
For
Okay.
all three.
Hanji?
Then for all three, we have to
Yes.
take political map.
Yeah, for all three, we'll take political map. So, our neighbors are Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest. India-Pakistan border is 3,310 kilometer long, whereas Indian-Afghanistan border is only 80 kilometer long. ठीक है, इंडिया-पाकिस्तान का जो border है वो काफी लंबा है. Okay? Then, Nepal and Bhutan in the north. Nepal and Himalayan range separate India from Tibet. जो हमारी Himalayan नेपाल की जो और Himalayan range जो हमारी है, ये हमें तिब्बत से अलग करते हैं. The line between India China border is called McMahon boundary line. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? McMahon
McMahon boundary line.
McMahon boundary line. India's
Line.
border with Nepal spans 1,752 kilometers, with Bhutan 587 kilometers, and with China 3,917 kilometers. Okay. In the south, on eastern side, the Gulf of Mannar, a narrow channel of water called Path Strait, separate India from Sri Lanka. ठीक है? Any doubts still here?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Fine. So till now we have talked about the area, the size, and the location of India. Right? It's all clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what we are going to read is we're going to read about the the physiographic divisions in India. What are we going to read about now? Physiographic. What do we call it?
Graphics divisions.
Physiographic divisions in India, in which we will read about the various structures which we find in India. Like, what are the various physiographic divisions we find in India? Tell me.
Mountains, plains, plateau, deserts.
Mountains, plains, plateau, desert, and the coastal plains. Right. So we'll read about each one of them one by one. One more map you will mark, in which you will be marking all these physiographic divisions. Right. You have to mark. You also have to do the map given on page number 19.2. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the map which 19.2 we have to also mark hill stations.
No, 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 no. You only have to mark the major physiographic divisions. Right? Like you have to mark mountains. अच्छा, okay, wait. इसमें सारे नहीं दे रखे हैं ना? So I'll send you the map of physiographic divisions of India. It's not given in your book. You don't have to mark these hill stations. You just have to mark plateaus, mountains, plains, desert. फिर नहीं दिया है इसमें. So I'll send you a map. अभी मैं ग्रुप पे ही भेजती हूँ आपको. That's what you have to mark. Okay. Physiographic divisions. Peninsular plateau, coastal regions. देखो This is an easier one. चाहो तो ये ले सकते हो. I am sending you 2 maps. ठीक है. But फिर I'm sending you the one जिसमें coastal plains भी marked है. ठीक है, तो आप coastal plains भी mark कर पाओगे. इसमें आप चाहो तो बाकी कुछ मत मार्क करना. जो कलर्ड पार्ट दे रखा है, देखो, द ब्राउन वन refers to the Himalayan mountains. Can you look at the map I've sent in the group? The brown one refers to the Himalayan mountains. Yellow refers to the plains, right? And then the skin one is the desert. The blue, light blue is coastal regions, and the green in between is
Peninsular Plateau.
Plateau.
ठीक है. ओके, तो आप चाहो तो बाकी सब कुछ मत मार्क करना, बस यही मेजर मार्क कर लेना. ठीक है. ओके, this is
Okay,
also
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
this one will be done on a physical map.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. This is to be done on physical map. ठीक है. Okay, clear? Right, so these are the physiographic divisions: Northern Mountains, Northern Plains, Peninsular Plateau, the Great Indian Desert, and the Coastal Plains. ये major 5 है. जब आप class 9 में होगे तो आप 6 पढ़ोगे, इसमें एक islands और add हो जाते हैं. अभी इसमें mention नहीं है. We'll also add western, eastern, western Ghats. ठीक है. So let's begin with the Northern Mountains. पढ़िए. कौन पढ़ेगा? Who will read? Read, Anushka.
They extend from Jammu and Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh, following the entire northern. Now, what is it in this?
Frontier.
Frontier. The northern mountains radiate from Panikunot due to height. It is called roof of the world. One of the major mountain range in Karakoram that lie in Kashmir region. The highest peak is MTK2, the second highest peak in the world. It is also called Godwin Austen. South of
Godwin Austen.
Austen. South of Karakoram is the Himalayas. They are called young fold mountains, perpetually covered with snow. Himalaya means above the snow. They are arc-shaped mountains composed of sedimentary rocks. The
Okay.
Himalayan mountains are divided into 3 different parallel ranges: the Great Himalayas, the Lesser Himalayas, and the Outer Himalayas.
Okay, stop here. Right, so see, if we talk about the northern mountains, then the northern mountains radiate from Pamir Notch, right? अभी आपको पता है Pamir Notch क्या होता है? Do you know? नहीं पता ना?
No, ma'am.
Sorry.
Oh, ma'am.
Did anyone start making that states and capitals wala thingy? I showed you
I'm
yesterday.
not yet. I'm gonna start from today.
Okay. Do you people want me to send you that the link?
Ma'am, Pamir Mountains are
Yes, ma'am.
central. Ma'am, Pamir Mountains are a range between Central Asia and Pakistan.
Exactly. I'm showing you the palm and knot. Wait. देखो इसमें बिल्कुल ऐसे ही देखो farmer not yes this is here ठीक है देखो ये एक ऐसी एरिया है जहाँ से सारी माउंटेन रेंजेस बिगिन होती हैं
मैम वी कांट मैम इट इज शोइंग मैम प्राची का
Yes.
पूरा स्टार्ट कर दीजिए
आपको मेरी स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही है कैन यू सी माय स्क्रीन
Yes,
नो
ma'am.
नो मैम
I can see.
Yes, ma'am.
देखो यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा
Yes, ma'am.
है ये देखो ये आपका एशिया में ही है जहाँ से देख रहे हो आपको हिमालयाज है हिंदू कुश है
मैम ये कुछ नहीं
काराकोरम कुनलुन कैन यू सी इट
नो मैम
Ma'am, the map is not there.
I'll send you in the group then ये है ना साइड में मैप नहीं दिख रहा किसी को भी
No,
No, ma'am. Ma'am, it's just a black screen.
अभी भी नहीं दिख रहा
Yes,
नो
ma'am.
isn't it visible to you people चलो I'll share the picture in the group then ठीक है देखो अब पामनॉट क्या होता है एक एरिया है आपका किस कहाँ पे एशिया में सेंट्रल एशिया में जहां से सारी माउंटेन रेंजेस निकलती हुई है ठीक है दे ऑल राइज फ्रॉम द पामनॉट क्योंकि एशिया के बहुत सारे जो माउंटेन सिस्टम्स है ना वो पामनॉट से निकलते हैं देखो आई एम शोइंग यू इन द पिक्चर देखो आई हैव सेंड अ पिक्चर मतलब दिख रहा है आपको कैन यू सी इट नाउ द पामनॉट
yes,
ये
ma'am.
देखो इस पामर नॉट से अगर आप देखोगे तो मैंने एक आपको वैसा वाला भेजा है जिसमें आपको दिख रहा होगा जैसे पामर नॉट से ग्रेट हिमालयाज निकल रहे हैं राइट हिंदू कुश भी वहीं से जा रहा है ओके तो सी द हिंदू कुश रेंज काराकोरम रेंज हिमालयन रेंज कुल्लू रेंज राइट कीशा रेंज राई रेंज all these ranges of the Asian continent are rising from the palmer notch कहाँ से निकलती हैं रेंजेस palmer notch से
फार्मा
ओके राइट क्लियर
Okay, ma'am.
तो पामरनॉट क्या होता है पामरनॉट इज द बेसिकली द रीजन फ्रॉम वेयर मेनी ऑफ दीज रेंजेस आर अराइजिंग so similarly the northern mountains if we talk about so they are radiating from the palmer knot and due to height उनकी height इतनी ज्यादा है that they are also known as roof of the world क्या बोलते हैं इनको
रूफ
of
ऑफ
the
द
world
Root of the world.
root नहीं roof छत
रूफ ऑफ द
exactly okay then one of the major mountain ranges is Karakoram that lies in the Kashmir region. Have you heard about the Karakoram range? देखिए आपकी बुक में भी दे रखी है यहाँ पे दे रखी है कश्मीर रीजन में काराकोरम रेंज दिख रही है आपको कश्मीर में
यस
जो साइड में मैप दे रखा है देखो उसमें यू फाइंड द काराकोरम रेंज
Yes, ma'am.
फेवरेट टॉप पे राइट so जो
मैम कश्मीर में
काराकोरम
सबसे ऊपर
exactly the Karakoram range can be found in Kashmir right and the highest peak in India is K2 जिसे हम कंचनजंगा भी कहते हैं right, is Mount K2, the second highest peak in the world. It is highest in India and second highest in the world. Which is the highest peak in the world?
Mount
The
Everest.
Mount Everest is
Everest.
Nepal.
Himalaya is a range.
Mount
It's
Kia.
not a mountain.
Mount Everest.
Mount
Mount
Everest.
Kia.
Mount Everest is located where?
Nepal.
Nepal.
Nepal. Right. So the second highest peak in the world is also known as Godwin Austen. South of Karakoram is the Himalaya. अब Karakoram range के नीचे देखोगे तो आपको कौन सी रेंज दिखेगी? हिमालयन रेंज, राइट? जैसे मैंने आपको जो ग्रुप में पिक्चर भेजी है उसमें देखो आप, काराकोरम रेंज है, उसके नीचे हिमालय आ जाएंगे। सी सेकंड वाले पिक्चर में देखो, द ब्राउन
Yes,
वन,
ma'am.
है ना? So Karakoram
Yes,
range के
ma'am.
नीचे you'll find the Himalayan range. Okay. And they are called the Yangfold Mountains, perpetually covered with snow. ये वो Yangfold Mountains हैं जो कि all the time ये mountain range होती है, पूरे time snow covered रहती है, ठीक है? Okay. And Himalayas means abode of snow. Himalaya का मतलब है क्या होता है? Full of snow, abode of snow, right? And they are arc-shaped mountains composed of sedimentary rocks. Arc shape में होते हैं, ऐसे करके arc सी बनी होती है. And they are made of which rocks? Sedimentary rocks. Which rocks?
Sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks.
rocks, right?
Sediment
Three
rock.
Himalayan mountains. The Himalayan mountains are divided into three parallel ranges, which are known as the Great Himalayas, the Lesser Himalayas, and the Outer Himalayas.
Outer
इसे
Himalaya.
हिमाचल, हिमाद्री और शिवालिक्स भी कहते हैं, ठीक है? So let's talk about the Great Himalayas. The Great Himalayas are also known as Himadri. What are they also known as?
Himadri.
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 Right. And they are the loftiest. Loftiest मतलब सबसे ज्यादा स्नो कवर्ड कौन से माउंटेन्स होते हैं? द ग्रेटर हिमालयाज, और जिन्हें हम कहते हैं हिमाद्री, राइट? सबसे ज्यादा
हिमाद्री।
स्नो कवर्ड ये होते हैं. Their average height is 6,000 meter above the sea level, and it consists some of the highest peaks, right, above 8,000 meter, right, in the world. Mount Everest, which is 8,850 meter high, lies where? It lies in
Nepal.
Nepal. Mount Kanchenjunga, which is 8,598 meter, is in Sikkim, is the highest peak in India.
India.
Okay. Some of the other world's highest peaks above 8,000 meter are Mount Makalu, Mount Dholagiri, Mount Choyo, and Mount Annapura all lie in Nepal, and Nanga Parbat lies in India. The Nanga Parbat is 8,126 meter high. Clear? Okay. So see, there are three Himalayan ranges. ये आप इस table से बहुत अच्छे से learn कर सकते हैं. You need to make this table in the notebook as well. Mark कर लो. This table is to be done in notebook. Okay. So are we clear about the Greater Himalayas? एक बार देख लो कोई doubt उसमें? No?
No, ma'am.
Good. Next we have is the lesson. देखो यहाँ पे जो टेबल दे रखी है उसमें कितने अच्छे से बताया हुआ है कि ग्रेटर हिमालयस उनको क्या बोलते हैं? हिमाद्री. द लेसर हिमालयस उनको क्या बोलते हैं? हिमाचल. एंड द आउटर हिमालयस आर नोन एज शिवालिक.
Shivalik.
Right. Then they have
Himalaya.
also mentioned where are they located, at what altitude, कितनी height है. So Himadri is located in the northernmost and the loftiest range, जहाँ पे average height होती है 6,000 meter. Right. Then we have Himachal, which is middle range, and the average height is approximately 4,000 meter. Okay. Just read this table for a minute. Hurry up. Read this table and tell me.
Ma'am, what does rugged means?
Just a minute, बच्चे.
Okay, ma'am.
Am I read?
हाँ जी, yes ध्वनि, what were you asking बच्चे?
Ma'am, what does rugged means?
What does
RUW
रग्ड
rugged.
लैंडस्केप? रग मतलब बहुत ही ऊबड़ खाबड़ लैंडस्केप होता है, ऐसा नहीं होता बिल्कुल सीधा सीधा फ्लैट सरफेसेस नहीं होती हैं, रग्ड होती हैं, ठीक है?
And ma'am, duns.
हाँ जी,
Duns. DUNS.
दून्स, देहरादून, पाटलिदून, ये वो वाला दून है, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
या चलो, नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द लेसर हिमालयस और हिमाचल, राइट? अभी जो आपने स्टेट में पढ़ा है उसको हम डिटेल फॉर्म में पढ़ेंगे. So the lesser Himalayas are also known as Himachal, which is around 3,700 to 4,500 meter high. They consist of popular hill stations like Dalhousie, Mussoorie, Darjeeling, and beautiful valleys such as Srinagar, Kullu, and Kangra. Right. These are places of tourist interest due to the scenic beauty and favorable climate. अब जो हिमाद्री है वो तो बहुत ही ज्यादा कोल्ड होता है, बहुत ही ज्यादा स्नो कवर, बहुत ही आए हैं, तो वहां पे तो लोग ऐसे टूरिज्म वगैरह नहीं जाते हैं इतना. बट जो हिमाचल है, एज यू ऑल नो, एवरीबडी गोज टू हिमाचल, है ना? आजकल हिमाचल में इतनी अच्छी स्नोफॉल हो रही है, पीपल आर विजिटिंग देयर, राइट? सो इट इज वेरी मच, डलहौजी, मसूरी, इन सब जगहों पे तो पीपल जाते ही हैं. सो दैट इज दे आर वेरी फेमस टूरिस्ट प्लेसेस, क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या है, यहाँ पे बहुत सीनिक ब्यूटी देखने को मिलती है, फेवरेबल क्लाइमेट है फॉर ग्रोइंग टेम्परेट फ्रूट्स लाइक एप्पल्स एंड peaches. Okay, then the outer Himalayas or the Shivalik range. The outer Himalayas is the lowest range with average height of 900 to 1200 meter. ठीक, यहाँ पे जो आपको माउंटेन्स मिलेंगे वो बहुत एक्स्ट्रा हाई नहीं मिलेंगे. शिवालिक्स आर मेड अप ऑफ अनकंसोलिडेटेड मटेरियल्स, देयरफॉर दे आर प्रोन टू सॉइल इरोजन एंड लैंडस्लाइड्स. यहाँ पे लैंडस्लाइड्स होती रहती है, अभी आपने देखा होगा ना, कौन से एकदम वहाँ पे द लैंड हैज sunken in. I do not know that, मुझे नाम नहीं याद आ रहा है उस एरिया का. सो यहाँ पे लैंडस्लाइड्स बहुत होती है. दे आर फेमस फॉर elongated valleys called dunes such as देहरादून. Okay, then Himalayas are highly uneven, steep slope. अब the uneven होते हैं, steep slope मतलब बिल्कुल खड़े हिमालय होते हैं, ठीक है, gentle slope नहीं होता है. And they can be crossed through the natural passages across the range called natural passes. Like आप लद्दाख में जाते हो ना, नाथुला पास, शिपकला पास are some of its examples. Okay, now the meeting is about to end. We'll read about the Purvanchals tomorrow. आज आपको जितना काम दिया है कल तक नोटबुक्स में होना चाहिए. Okay, will it be
Okay,
done?
ma'am.
Good.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ठीक है, इससे साथ साथ अपनी प्रिपरेशन तैयारी स्टार्ट करिए. ट्यूसडे टेस्ट की आपने?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
You all know the syllabus, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, done.